Hey guys, today I'm gonna build a box. Found this old trim, this stuff here, and figure I'll make a box out of it. Okay, so I cut that. It was 5.5. Cut it down to 2 3/4 halfway, and that's maple, by the way. I got some bird's eye maple here, which I'll use as the bottom, and let it glue it up and let it sit. Okay, it's glued and clamped. I'll let it sit for a while and debate on what I'm going to make for a lid. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm thinking maybe some interesting concept of using some bullnose. Oh, bullnose. Some bullnose for the lid. We'll see. I'll see. I'm starting to lay out the lid for this box. Just a rough right now. See how things go, and not sure what I'll put in the center here yet. If I'll do, I don't know, walnut, maybe. We'll see. Well, that was a waste of time and a big fail. I'm not happy with the results at all, so. It looks like crap. I think I'll make a good serving tray. That's about it. And even the glue up on the box. Everything, I don't know what happened. Not happy at all. Oh well. Back to the drawing board. Like and subscribe. Thank you.